Okay, the 87 Audi GT, it's been sitting a bit, so we're putting all new brakes. We had to do some brake lines. We're putting a clutch slave cylinder in it. It's clean underneath. Also, you got coilover conies all the way around that are almost brand new. New starter in it. It runs and drives very good. New exhaust. This car will be ready soon. Parts are not easy to get, so it's going to be a bit, but once we do that, putting new hangers on the exhaust, getting everything going here, we'll drive it a couple times back and forth home, make sure this thing goes good. It does really run nice though right now. Starts and runs very good. Just the clutch and the slave cylinder wouldn't work, and then the brake lines in the back were kind of messing up, so we're just going to rebuild calipers and go through it. It really doesn't have leaks for being as old as it is. Actually pretty solid here. It's got to be driven and really cleaned up, which we haven't done, but a pretty solid body on it. Interior's really nice. Should be available soon. It's a little raced up with that exhaust and the shocks. You got 4-wheel disc, so coming soon. And if you guys like the videos and want to see more of our cars, please like and subscribe. I don't even have 500 subscribers yet. Help me out, will you? This is Dave, Charlestown Classics. Bye.